Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the Algreen Fake Rock cover for landscaping. You've seen these probably all over the place, and we're hiding some plumbing in our yard. Here's the drain pipe that we're actually using this fake rock cover to hide. These are very lightweight, but they are very sturdy. Here's a shot of the inside, and you can see the thickness. They really don't weigh much, but they do a great job. Let me give you a real world measurement for this. By my measurement, it stands about 22 inches tall. Here's a street view of the rock, and everybody knows it's fake, but it looks way much nicer than that plumbing pipe sticking out of the ground. It has served a perfect purpose for us, and I think you'll like it too, so I hope you found my video helpful.